Welcome to this training tutorial on using the point of sale (POS) module in Tracepos. In this module, we'll guide you through how to streamline your sales processes and manage transactions efficiently. To get started, log into Tracepos. You will be directed to the dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you find the navigation menu. In the navigation menu, you will see different menu options. Choose the POS menu. The POS module is designed to make the process of selling products quick and straightforward. To add products to the cart, start by selecting the products your customer wants to purchase. You can do this by searching for the products using the search bar or browsing product categories. Once you find the product, click on it to add it to the cart. You can continue this process to add multiple products to the cart. Once you have added all the products to the cart, you can decide whether to leave the customer input field with the default walk-in customer, or enter the customer details for the sale. If the customer already exists in the system, you can search for and select their name. If it's a new customer, you can create a customer profile by clicking the plus button next to the customer input field. Then, enter the customer's information, including name, contact details, and any additional data you require. This step is helpful for tracking customer purchases and managing debts. After you've added all the products to the cart and entered customer details, next, click the Pay Now button to open the payment form modal box. Click the Add New Payment button. In this payment modes option, select the customer's payment method, such as cash or bank. Enter the amount in the Paying Amount input field and click the Add button. Verify the details, including the total amount to be paid and the payment methods. Once everything is correct, click Complete to finalize the sale. After completing the sale, you can print an invoice for the customer. This serves as a record of the transaction. Click on Print Invoice, and you'll have a professional invoice that can be given to the customer. Finally, close the receipt modal to start another sale. Tracepos also allows you to split payment in case the customer wants to use multiple payment methods. For instance, they might pay part in cash and part through a card transaction. To split payments, simply enter the amounts for each payment method and select the payment type, e.g., cash, card, or other payment method that you created. This feature offers flexibility for your customers and eases the payment process. Let's walk through a quick example of splitting a payment. Assume the total sales amount is 10,000 naira. You can enter part of it as cash, e.g., 6,000 naira, and the rest, say 4,000 naira, as a card transaction. Tracepos helps you keep track of customers who owe you money. If a customer doesn't pay the full amount, they'll have a remaining balance. To see who owes you, go back to the dashboard and click on Sales. Then, click on the Unpaid tab to view all customers with outstanding balances. Congratulations! You've completed the training tutorial on using the point of sale (POS) module in Tracepos. The POS module is a powerful tool to streamline your sales processes, handle customer transactions, and keep track of outstanding balances. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.